And second था first. So I told you that you don't need to transfix the syndesmosis all the time. And I'll take over from here because now I'm going to be talking about that little small piece of bone which is on the anterolateral aspect of the tibia, which usually gets injured or gets avulsed and is actually a part of the complex syndesmosis injury. And if you look at the anatomy of all of that, this is what it is. So the ligaments, the AITFL is attached to it and holds the fibula to the tibia. That's the anterior part. And then whenever there's a rotational talus injury, this is the ligament which breaks. The posterior one will break when it is the end point, when there is a posterior malleolus or this thing. But originally, this is the one which breaks first. The tibia rotates away, shifts away, and you get this problem. So